Me I say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Hey guys, welcome back to KeneishaSays. Welcome back to another video. I know the lighting is not lighting right now because you're literally Samir, good morning. Looking crazy. Just drop off the kids them and about to go by Target to grab some stuff. Yeah, so today's video, yeah, I can't speak. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment under the comment section, like, did I say like? Yeah, like the video and share. So today's video is gonna be spend the day with me. I know I didn't start it off like with you seeing me at home and all that good stuff, but it's still early, still 8:53 a.m. So we're heading to Target and then I'm gonna go home and just quickly just clean up the house a little bit, you know, like a spruce up. Yeah. And then we have a nail appointment that we're gonna go to. Then we have I gotta go to the mall because I need to go to Bath and Body Works. I'm out of the what do I call it again? The sanitizer, the pack something, you know, the small sanitizer them. Yeah, I need to get a pack of that. I need to get a couple of those. I may grab some sprays and, you know, maybe then I need to go by BJ's to grab some water and some cranberry juice. And then why is this like, this is really dark, like this not doing no justice right now. Why are you so dark? And then I need to, this is really dark, right? It is, right? Yeah, it's getting really dark. So we're going to Target now, going home to clean up. We're going to do our nails. This is my nail set right now. They're not bad, they're not really grow, but that time for them to like, they're not really that bad. As you can see, it's not that bad. But I'm gonna get a new set today. It's 3 weeks since I have them on. And my finger seem like it's either non-grow or something. But I'm gonna get a new set today. Then I'm gonna go to the mall, go Bath and Body Works. I need to go Old Navy and then BJ's. And then later on today, later in the evening around 6:30, Tristan has soccer practice. Guys, my weeks, my days, I thought I didn't have any time in the day before. It works now because Stephanie is now doing dancing. So she's doing ballet, tap, acro, and hip-hop dancing, and she has all that on Monday. Then Tristan is now in soccer and he has practice on Tuesdays and Thursdays and then matches on Saturday. I have mostly appointments and stuff to do, you know, Monday and Wednesday, and then you know that I need to do laundry, clean up and do the regular wifely motherly things. So by the time you're quint, it's time to go back to work, full-blown days, Friday to Sunday, and then it starts all over again. So I literally have no time to scratch my head. So like every minute in the day counts. Like it's crazy. But anyhow, you know, we gotta make do what we gotta do, no complain, and pull up a big girl's panty and just get it done, you know what I mean? Yeah, so that's what's going on. And then of course, you know, them homework and all that stuff and cooking, and it's a lot. It's even more. Like I used to complain before, it's even more. But yeah, I wonder why I get them on all these things, because I feel like I was being selfish. We're in America, everybody do everything, and I have my kids just sitting in the house because I'm selfish, thinking about the fact that I am tired, I'm not gonna have the time to carry them. Go, no, we're gonna do this, go do that, carry them from school to this. And I'm like, you know what? I need to stop this. It's not fair to them. Yeah, so Tavanna been asking, man, I just let me know it's a police thing, I said, so let me calm down. I'm like, and give me light, but I'm not seeing no police. I wanna feel further down in there. Yep. See them here. Thank you, man. Whoever you be. Police are right down there, sir. Right up there, sir. So yeah, Tavanna been asking to go into dance like forever. From around 3. From ever since I can remember, and I'm always like putting it off. And Tristan, he doesn't. I wanted them to go into like martial arts or MMA or something like that, so they're not going for that. And the thing is, I'm not gonna spend my money because I'm money, and I let them know they're not free. I'm not gonna spend my money on something that I'm gonna force them in. I know a lot of parents do that. I am not gonna do that because that's money that's being wasted that you're not gonna get back. I'm gonna get them in things that they want to do, so at the end of the day, they can use it for whether a career path or something that, you know, it makes sense. So Tristan said he only wants to be in soccer or track. That's what we're trying to get into, the track and field. But the track and field one is mostly like traveling, and obviously with me working on weekends, that's not feasible right now. So I'm working on figuring out how we can do that. But we got him into the soccer, and I have my sister-in-law, Troy's sister Shireen, that's actually taking him to his games right now. The thing is, you also have a travel soccer team, so he's not in the traveling one right now. Right now I have him doing the recreational one, so everything is being done at one place in our hometown. And then once he get good, because this is just a start out, once he gets a little bit better, then we can figure out how we're gonna do, if I need to take Saturdays off or stuff. We figure that out. But that's what's going on right now. So I'm like, Keneisha, you need to just stop being so selfish and just get these kids into things what they want to do. Unfortunately, I didn't do that for TJ, but I'm in college, I'm alright. Never did. I'm alright. So I'm doing better. Every step of the way you get a little bit better and you learn something. Right now, that's what I'm doing, and it's making my days even more complicated, but it's worth it. It's worth it. I'm not complaining. It's worth it. So anyhow, so we want to get all those things done, and I'm almost here at Target, so I'm just keeping up on the line. Just stay with me in the meantime, because we're literally right here. Alright guys, I am here.
Listen.
So let me just know something there. Okay, so I just checked into the internet. I'm here. Guys, we know me look, every time I come on camera I say me look crazy. I'm just nodding up about it. Like I don't know. I don't know. Every time I come on camera, I'm like, oh guys, I know I'm looking crazy. Yeah, we just drop off the kids there, man. It's nothing serious. It's not that serious. So yeah. So we're just sitting and waiting for them to come out. I didn't order a lot of stuff. It's just I'm gonna realize I tried to buy milk because I wouldn't have bought it. I just need my so I'm gonna come here. Hold on. Hi. Yep. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Have a great day.
You too. Alright, so guys, as I was saying, I was Target haul. So I got, these websites I keep on telling, like, guys, get these. The simple, again, I used to use the liquid, but the micellar cleansing wipes, yeah. So I got 2 of them. And then as I was saying, I didn't know that Troy got milk, so my favorite hood milk, 2% reducing. Yeah, so that's all I got. And as I said before, I'm gonna go beaches. We did go to the supermarket last week, but I'm run out of the gallon water because I've been drinking water by the gallon to work and stuff for the whole day. So we still use the small bottle. What do you mean? The small buckle, but I use the gallon for I have this big old jug. I showed you guys the other day. I still use that. I use that when I'm going to work, so I can actually drink that for the whole day, and it's been working. I started off drinking off the whole bottle, and now I finished just maybe just leaving out a little winter bit in the bottom. So that's what I'm on. So the watermelon diet, you ask, how is that going? Oh, what watermelon diet? Guys, I think I did that for I keep on telling everybody I did that for a day, but I think I did that for 2 days. In between I was eating. I couldn't do it, people. I couldn't do it. I can't do it. And it's not I love food that much. It's just that I have this thing where I cannot eat the same thing or drink the same thing for too long. My body, I couldn't do it. I get tired. The watermelon, so till I start feeling nauseous. When I drink, I didn't like the taste anymore. I couldn't do it. Eating it was not that bad, but it was drinking it. I couldn't. I think it lasted if it lasted 2 days, it lasted enough. I'm not saying no lie. If it lasted 2 days, it lasted for a long time. But yeah, that's what happens with watermelon diet. it did not last. But the water, I have been constantly drinking a lot of water, and I've been limiting my portions. That's what I'm doing. I did lose, before I started the diet, or so-called diet, I did lose 7 pounds, and then it went back on, like 4 more pounds went back on, so like I lost only 3 pounds. But now I'm back with the 7 pounds off, so that's good. And I needed, and it was the 10 pounds that I gained when I was in Jamaica, because I was at 154, and when I went to Jamaica I gained a whole 10 pounds, bringing me to 164. So now I'm at 157. So anyhow, I haven't been back. The last time you guys saw me go to the gym, I haven't gone back to the gym, not because I don't want, because I just, with everything I told you guys I've been doing, I'm gonna try and schedule it in to these days. But I've just been doing a lot, to be honest, people. And there are a lot of things that I want to tell you guys, can't tell you yet, but you'll hear about it later down. But there are a lot of things going on where, you know, I'm just like back to back, having things to do every single day. You know what I mean? So that's basically what it is. But I'm gonna get back into the gym. No question asked. I mean, I make no excuse or anything. It's because I'm still being charged for it. It's coming out of my account every month. So girl, I have to use it. Enough rambling. I've been rambling all this video. Calm down. This car just sensitive bad. Like, you just feel like I can't drive. Every time you go getting something, like it just, they make one whole ton of noise. Like, what are you doing? Calm down. They close the road. Let me go from here, sir. Oh Lord, they close the road. Me don't know no other way for come here. Oh Jesus, what do? We follow the traffic. Oh, me come here. Me not know the other way for come here. Oh Lord, what we do? Oh man, GPS. This is not good. This is not good. Where do we go? So it'll take 9 minutes for me out. Could I take 3? This is crazy. It's not safe. Why them do that? I got things to do. I have my appointment at 11:45. I gotta go home and clean up. It's now 10 minutes after 9. I'm gonna reach up till 9:18. Them say, Jesus. Alright, so I'm gonna go back up there, so turn on this. Sure. If I didn't. No, I can't go up there, so why is it bringing me back down there? I can't go there, so. I can't go here, so. It's on school. Jesus, please. I can't go there, so. My last people, my last. Oh God, my last. No, I don't know it's probably go. It's bringing me. I cannot go there, so. Where are you taking me? Fudge. Oh, Jesus. Alright. Guys, my last. This is crazy. It's trying to take me back to where we're coming from, right? But I can't go there because it's closed, and apparently it's not registered in here that it's closed. So no, it's going to nourish me at 9:21 because I have to get alright. I don't go down there, so I have to continue going straight for it to reroute to take me to a left turn. I have to take a left turn. Watch this out, man. You know what? Like a robot. But this is not my good day. This is not good at all. Why stupid me never just follow the drivers them in the first place? Like, instead of me I should have followed the drivers. So obviously they were going in my direction. me fudge me then. I don't even know where I'm at. 7 minutes from me, I don't know where I'm at, to be honest. I've never seen this road before. You see, me, I go just stick to my roots, you know, I'm not drive around nowhere, go nowhere, you know. That's the thing, you know what I mean? When I say I can save my last, when I need to the camera, if you can't tell somebody. Go here, tell somebody how to find me. Alright, so let's take a left panel. Oh, okay, I know where I'm at now. Oh, this turn here, so. Oh, I know where I'm at now. Okay, just come right up. I guess you got traffic camera all this time, okay. The 5 minutes away now. I'm gonna show me the now. I know it's wrong with the people. I am safe. Okay, don't worry. I am safe, okay? I are safe. So let's celebrate a little bit. I am safe.
Can you give me a baby?
Bash it out done.
You feel breathe
Bash it out done.
before you even leave.
So, and that's why. Alright, why the camera? Why the bash it out done? I'm gonna get on back up.
True religion, that's how we go.
Straight jeans and fitteds in a white t-shirt. We did it. Guys, I am home. I reach home. And guess what? Here, hold on. Why is this so? Why are you so? Okay. Darkness. House is in darkness. I reached home, and as I stepped out of the car, guess what I realized? I'm gonna show you. Hold on. I realized that I did not have my purse with me this whole time. So I may drive fast, I may pass police, police give me detour and all of these things. I did not have my license or anything because it's in here. I'm gonna have to write this up on the dresser. But thank God, we reached home safe. It took me how many other additional minutes to get home, but we made it home, okay? So, we're gonna straighten up, and we got 1 hour to start getting ready to go to Niltex to be there on time. We're tired, but we're gonna do this. We got this, okay? We got this. Let's do this, people. Let's do this. Oh, go ahead and subscribe, like, and share. Comment under the comment section. Please and thank you. And so my new subscribers, hi. Thank you for coming over. Welcome. Alright, so come back again. Hey guys, it is like 2 days later, and I'm gonna show you how I really apologize because I did so many things on that day, and this morning I'm like, I'm gonna pick up at the camera and apologize and everything. And you wanna know, I don't know if you realize that the angle that you guys are watching me on is not your typical angle. I'm actually on my phone because again I left my camera, which is what happened. So on Tuesday when I was speaking to you guys and I was showing you, I think the last thing that you guys saw was me cleaning my kitchen, right? And I finished the kitchen. I had to stop the camera because I had so much to do and I was running really late. So I cleaned up the place a little bit, and then I was running really late for the nail tech. Matter of fact, these are my nails that I did So I was running really, really late. I was actually 25 minutes late to my appointment. I did call and know I was gonna run, but I told him 10 to 15 minutes late, and I ended up going 25 minutes late. I told you guys also that I was go to BJ's, go to Old Navy, go to the mall, to Bath and Body Works, and stuff like that. Well, while I was doing my toes, because I said my toes are all just pure white. That's it. While I was doing my toes, I actually just ordered everything online. I ordered everything online on Bath and Body Works and Old Navy. I tried to do the same thing at BJ's, but they were trying to do delivery fees, and I'm like, I'm right here. You know how Keneisha feel about delivery fee. And I tried to do like the pickup, and the pickup was actually gonna take like 2 hours, which means I would have to leave from where I am, go home, only to come back. And I'm right there. So I went into the store for BJ's. I got water, you know, just main thing, because we did went to the supermarket like 2 weeks ago, so I just need like manly stuff like water. What is it? I got some cranberry juice, got some more sanitary plates. I don't remember. I picked up a couple of stuff. It cost like $100 and something. But you know, I did so much stuff. I got home. I had visitors came. Well, try and I. Oh my gosh, should I say no? We had visitors. They were close by. My girlfriend and, you know, my brother and them, like family, basically like family. They came by. Chris and Tamika came by to visit us. Then drive up from New York. They were visiting New York. They came by, and they're coming all the way from Florida, so they couldn't come so close and really just, you know, not see us or see try. I tried to really come front of me. So they came by. They drove up. Ended up at the house maybe like 4:30 and stuff. So I run home and cook some food, coming out to them. They're hungry, and I should have recorded all of that. It was so many contents, guys, that I should have done. That would be a perfect spend the day with me. We'll finish left the house. Obviously, it was Tuesday. I told you guys that Tristan had soccer practice as well. Went to soccer practice. Then Tamika and I went over to Marshall's. Me go just for carry her, go Marshall's, and end up as Mr. P, so start just buy things. So I end up with 4 handbags that I really didn't want. I really didn't. It didn't just look so nice. I really didn't need anything. But that's what happened. So it was a lot, and I apologize. So this morning, man, like, but oh God, better pick up the camera. So I said, okay, I'm gonna pick up the camera because right now I'm actually on my way to the hairdresser, and I'm like, let me just grab it and just finish off today. Run out to the house, the rain fall and everything. Run out to the house as I was about to drive out to the yard. I realized that I don't have my camera, and I'm like, I'm not turning back because you know, I don't know something already late. I don't know this. So I'm like, I'm not run back for you. So I'm like, you know what? let's go back to old school. Let's grab the phone. And because everything is not set up, because the camera setup is right there in the middle. The phone is not the best thing right now to center and everything, you know. So I'm like, you know what? It is what it is. I'm giving you something, and I apologize. I apologize, but I'm gonna make it up. I am going to make it up. Anywho, as I said before, I am going to stop. I'm not going to stop that stuff. I am going to the hairdresser right now. When I finish, I am going to go home. No, I'm going to go to CVS, pick up my prescription. And the spironolactone thingy, the pill, yeah. Enough finish, you know, the one that I have is not done. But you know what? It's the last prescription, and if I take a long, it's the last refill. And if I take a long time to go and get it, eventually they're just not going to give it back because they're just going to cancel it. So I'm going to pick it up, so at least I don't have to be going back to the dermatologist like so many times. But I'll back up and understand at least back up because I don't use them as often as they say that it should be used. Like, me just use it whenever. I'm not consistently taking or using the cream and stuff like that. I really don't, and I guess that's why I keep on having breakouts. But I really don't. Like, me have 2 buckle of pills still left. Plus this one's gonna be 3. The tubes, them I have 2, not even touched yet. Like, I'm not really using them consistently. But thank God, my face don't look bad. But yeah, that is what's happening. So I'm sorry, but still like and subscribe. Still like and subscribe, you know, and comment under the comment section and stuff, you know. Yeah, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna make it up, guys. Remember, I think I told you guys couple videos ago that I know have an Amazon storefront. I'm gonna leave it in the description box below so you guys can actually check it out. For most of the stuff, because I'm always shopping on Amazon, so why not? Just check it out. If you're interested in any of those items, you can go ahead and purchase it at the same time. You know, I'm about to turn into the hair salon. I'm gonna get my hair permed today. So I'll see, and I think, you know, I will see you. Oh, what is that, Nessa? Women, I know. Parking. Women, I know parking. What is happening? What is this? Over there. I can't park. That's crazy. That's crazy. That is crazy. My fucking thing the garage right now. But no, unless you garage. I just don't have park. Why there's no parking? Anyway, guys, I will see you in a bit. Okay, I'll see you when I see you. I'll be back. Guys, I am finally done. It's still raining. It's gloomy. I wanted to go by CVS, but my hunger bad. My hunger, I'm just tired, like I was falling asleep when I was drying my hair. I hate the dryer. I hate the dryer so much. Someone to know if I need to go. I don't know if I want to go to CVS right now. I just need to go. It's 1:50 right now. I feel like I'm just going home. I want to make a cheese dog and some fries and watch a movie and just relax. We're not take out meat for cook for later. I think I want to do like some stewed chicken with some yam. I don't have no yam. Stewed chicken, banana, Irish potato, and dumpling. That I think is gonna be for dinner. That's gonna be for dinner. I'm just gonna go home. I'm too hungry. The one look at something now. I can get it even next week. Yeah, so that's what's gonna happen. So I am done. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna make me some hot dog and some fries and watch some TV. I haven't even done laundry yet. I'm too tired. I'm not doing laundry. But nobody drop asleep when I watch a movie. I just need to eat and just chill a quick. Because this weekend at work is gonna be, and it's gonna be hard because from what they don't keep on, I have a whole bunch of overtime people that come inside the building, and I just know it's gonna be me alone again. So last week was the same thing. So I need to get some rest. If I don't get no rest, it's gonna be crazy. Anyhow, enough talking. Like this video, I just feel like it's just a lot of talking, no action. But let me go home. Again, if you haven't already subscribed, please remember to subscribe. Okay? Like the video and comment. Anyway, let's go. I'm home. I am home. I'm home. So I'm going to get let's start with the fries and stuff right now because I am hungry. So we're back on the camera. We're gonna start the food because I am dying. Not dead. I also took out the chicken so I can thaw it in the meantime. So it's back there, quick time for people putting them. Alright.
Me I say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.